upon empirical loop that is called. So empirical loop, that is circle always. Many times square also point, but always take circle. That is point B inside now. Draw here one circular, that is called empirical loop. You got my point? You know Gauss law, Gaussian loop, Gaussian surface. Here empirical loop, that is circle not there. So what is radius of small r? So what is that formula? B dot dl equals to mu naught into I inside. अब you tell what is current here? What is current? All current point I circle this.
No current.
Here no current na, because
Zero.
all current point here. So what is current value? Zero. So what is B inside? That is equals to 0.
Yes.
Good. Next up, case number 2. Case number 2 is
On the
what?
surface.
At surface. Suppose that is B at surface. So now tell what is value? Use that formula. B dot dl equals to mu into I inside. Tell that surface na here. What is total current? I. I told na. Di.
Mu not I by 2 r.
So right here B into 2 pi capital R now. Circumference है ना, circumference equals to mu naught into I. I is I now. So what is B value? That is mu naught I by 2 pi R. Got the point?
Yes.
Next I am telling about outside. Okay.
Outside.
Case number 3, that is now outside. So outside, suppose that is
R dash.
R dash, suppose that is your point B. That is suppose R dash. Got the point? So where is your current percent? Sir, current here percent here. Got the point? So first you have to draw empirical loop. So that is your empirical loop. I think got my point.
Yes.
So this empirical loop, that is the R dash. So all current present outside or inside now?
Inside.
Inside. It means in this case also, what is current value?
0.
Not 0. I value now. And that is empirical loop now. So if you use here B into 2 pi
R dash.
R dash, very good, equals to mu naught. What is I enclosed? I here now. This I enclosed the inside. So this empirical loop now here. So all current present inside now, inside. What is I value? I. No 0. But here tell what is I value here?
0.
Why sir? Because outside. Outside current. So remember this B equals to what? That is mu naught I by 2 pi R dash. Again now here B, that is varying with 1 upon R dash. Because mu naught constant, current constant, 2 constant, pi constant. It means B outside. B outside, that is inversely proportional to R dash. And B inside this 0. Got B inside 0 and B at surface constant. So which type of graph can, suppose I am drawing graph between B and distance. See, suppose that is R equals to R now, surface. So from center to surface, what is your B value? Center to surface.
Center to surface it's increasing. Inside 0. No?
0 not there. Inside.
Again it equal to R.
So I think you are taking that check. Okay.
Again now it increases.
Not increase, that is constant. This B not constant, current constant, 2 constant, pi constant, R constant.
Is it like this in the
No, just you are taking that. No, here just here can now.
decreases.
This is R not there, hyperbola that. Got a point? Hyperbolic, rectangular hyperbola. So that is B outside, that is inversely proportional to distance. And here now B equal to 0. Got a point? You will get one graph. Which of the following graph correct for that? Here, current carrying this. Okay, so this graph is correct. Until that is hollow or solid? Hollow. So this 0 here. Got. And suppose solid then? Solid then?
Different.
I will tell that thing also.
Must be in that
Right.
symbol.
Long solid. You know, that is very important for J1 and integer JMath. Integer JMath, that is very famous. Many times I start that question directly. Okay. So here also same thing. 5% that pi infinite. Okay. Infinite 5%. I will tell you here that is solid now. Solid is everywhere. Not getting. Where current? Where current carrying?
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
Inside out.
Okay. Everywhere current present. That is solid now. Solid. What my point? Solid. So what is length here? Infinite. So I will use what? Top view. Okay. top view is like that. That is here now top view. So top view tell what is which type of shape you will observe? Top view. No circle there, no. So here now draw circle. What is radius still? That is R. That is R. Now tell where is current present? Only circumference or everywhere? Everywhere. That dot across?
Dot.
Dot. It is that is one point. Everywhere dot. Okay. That is dot. Okay. Dot. Okay. Here also three. First outside, second inside, then surface. So now first tell outside. Outside is easy. Case 1 outside. So draw here at point T one empirical loop. Okay. So what is B at outside till? B outside what is value? Same formula na? Which formula? B dot D integration equals to mu naught into I. I inside. Or what is DL value till? 2 pi. Which R? That R dash or capital R? Huh? Here.
R dash.
R dash है ना? अरे always remember this DL now. That is circumference. DL is what? And that circumference for empirical loop, not original loop. So where is original loop? This capital R or small R? Original. Capital R, and that is a empirical loop. So put here 2 pi R dash equals to mu naught. What is current value? Current.
Mu naught I. No.
Current I there na?
Yeah.
All present inside na I here. Inside na? So what is V value then? Equals to mu naught I upon 2 pi R dash. That is outside or inside? This is outside or inside?
Outside.
So right here outside, D outside. That value, that mu naught functional variable. I also,
Constant.
2 also, pi also.
Constant.
So B inversely proportional to
R dash.
R dash. What? That is B outside now. Now tell B inside. B at surface tell first. All those things put it out, many issues went outside. Tell what is the value of B at surface? Tell B surface.
I.
Surface, what you write there? B into,
DL.
okay, this is telling that, okay.
2 pi R
D
dash.
DL equals to mu naught into I.
I.
What is that DL value?
2 pi R dash. Oh, wait a
Add
second.
surface.
R.
At surface is there. 2 pi capital R. What is the mu naught I value? I now. I put here. So what is B value at surface?
2 pi I by 2 pi R.
Mu naught I by 2 pi capital. That is constant or variable? Constant here. Check. 2 constant here. What is outside? Now case number 3, that is outside. B outside. What is value? Inside or outside now?
Inside.
Already put it inside. You are telling outside. Here inside now, right? Tell what is value? Inside. Tell. Here some difficulty now. Huh?
B inside.
Inside tell what is value?
2 pi R.
You know what is problem here now? See what is problem? That is your arm radius. What is I there? Total I. This total I. Total I there. Got my point? So you want one small r, not the
So
small r.
DI.
Oh dear. See that is small r, not there. So this is your empirical loop, not there.
Yes.
Here your I value less than I or more than I?
Less.
Less. Assume that is I dash. Not getting?
Getting it.
What I am telling, that complete I, na see here, that complete I, that is moving up across this area na. And where is I tell here? Where is I here? Through this complete area there. So what is area here?
I. Oh, area 2 pi R dash.
Area.
Where area?
This area.
Oh, area
Circle.
pi R square.
So through pi r square is current I. So I want current through this small. Not getting here, right?
Getting.
See. Pi r square. What is current value? Capital I. What happened? So through one. That is what value? I upon pi r square. Not getting. Through this pi into small r square. No? I have small r square inside. That is empirical loop. So what is value now? I upon pi into r square into pi into small r square. Not getting.
Getting, sir. Are you?
Arey, Jani, always sir, what? Yes, sir, what we have been, huh? Close. 57% charging now. I dash that is I value. I r square upon what? Through this current I told, na, they are across this all that area, na? All area here, all area. What is current value? Capital I. So that current is moving across this area now or circumference area every other that current pi r square there. So this pi r square what is current value? I. Through one now that is I by pi r square. So through pi smaller square. Why sir? Because that is our empirical loop. Pi into smaller, then smaller. So what is value? I upon pi capital R square into pi into small r square. Pi cancel out. So what is I dash? So that is I into small r square upon. Now use that same formula. B dot dl equals to mu into I inside. Got? Tell what is value? D into inside into what is dl value? What is dl value here? dl. What is that? Circumference. What is value of circumference? Are here what is dl will tell? Integration of dl. 2 pi r smaller equals to mu naught into what is I dash what?
I dash
This. Don't put here I value, put I dash value.
I into R square.
I into
small r square by capital R.
so r cancel out now. What is b value tell?
2 pi
Mu naught I r upon 2 pi r square. This constant, that constant. It says b inside that is proportional to small r. Okay. So which type of graph tell? Graph tell b versus that is b inside, sir. This b inside, this. That is straight line there. Y goes same as there. So it means which type of graph tell?
Straight.
This that. Straight means this is.
Uniform like this. Like this, no sir. It's increasing.
And y goes same as origin passing through origin.
That only I said like this.
Here after r equals to r outside then
Constant. Where, sir?
or outside
Sir, equal to will come like this, no sir.
are that equal to now completed here this value
Decreasing.
now decreasing there. See first increasing
Like
then decreasing and that is what
Outside.
miss hyperbola that is
Yes.
1 by r 1 by x. So that is b outside, that is inversely proportional to r, and that is d inside. Got this one, sir. Okay.
Wait, sir.